Hello friends, now I will show you how to replace the toner cartridge and the drum unit on HP Laserjet Pro Mfp M130 model. So lift up the scanner, then open the top cover. To replace the toner cartridge, just pull out the toner. Now to replace the drum unit, here is the handle of the drum unit. Just take it and pull it out also. And now in the same way, push back the drum unit inside until you hear a click. Then place back the toner cartridge and push slightly until you hear this click. Close the covers and that's it. So thank you very much. Good luck.